Good morning. Boy, do I need to wake up. It is August 8th, but I'm just sitting on my porch enjoying the peace of my cul-de-sac. Not a lot of traffic goes through here. I really, really like that. And I'm getting my first cup of coffee in me. Just took the Duders for a little walk. Wow, my hair is like frizzing out. This is, you guys are totally seeing Bedhead Joanne. For sure, Bedhead Joanne. Today I got some work I need to do. There's always work to do. A client meeting, and then I have to go get my hair done. And yeah. But first, it's coffee and breakfast. It's time to get yourself woken up. Tight Duders. So right now I finished my morning meeting. It went actually an extra hour long, but got everything accomplished that I needed to do with that client. A lot of my accounting clients, we use a product called QuickBooks Online, and he was doing something a little bit wrong with his sales receipts, and it's a whole boring process, but basically I had to correctly show him how to use it. Wow, the sun is bright. Let me put my sunglasses on. I couldn't put my sunglasses on earlier because they were too hot because I had them up on the dash. Anyways, right now I am in line at Dunkin' Donuts. I'm gonna grab myself an iced coffee and head over to get these grays colored. Thank God. It's about time. It's gone over. Definitely can see the grays. So that's what my afternoon is going to be made of. Then I got to think about what I'm going to get for lunch, and I think it's going to be a salad from this place called Core that I really like. They have this amazing berry burst salad, and it is just so good with grilled chicken. I have them add feta cheese, and it has like this yogurt dressing on it that is just to die for. Let me move up in line here, get off the camera, and order my iced coffee.
Good afternoon, thank you for Dunkin' Donuts. How may I help you?
Can I get a large French vanilla iced coffee with almond milk and 1 Splenda?
It's a large ice with French vanilla swirl, almond milk, and 1 Splenda?
Correct.
Okay, I'll make sure I got that right.
38. Let's see. There you go. Thank you.
Okay, I'm keeping you on your toes. Oh no, you're not. Not for 4 o'clock.
Like, the boss was like, did you put a napkin in there? And the lady that was working is like, back up a little bit, let me jump in the car with you. That was funny. Heading off to get my hair done now. I love this though. Right, off to get my hair done. Just finished up with my hair color, and she kind of thinned it out and just did a quick cut on it. She didn't have time to style me, and I said that's okay because I'm not really doing anything anyways, and I'm just gonna be grabbing a salad and going home for the rest of the evening. It's getting ready to storm, so I better head off and grab my salad before I get poured on. It is legit pouring out. Let's run to the car. Well, good thing my hair was already wet. Let's get home so I can eat my salad. So I'm back to end this vlog. My salad was absolutely amazing. I'm just getting ready to relax a little bit and edit some video so I can get another vlog uploaded for you guys, and then maybe watch some Netflix. I'm looking for some suggestions on some new shows to watch. I did try that The Society, and I couldn't get through the first episode. I watched it and I was kind of tired and fell asleep. So if you have any suggestions on what to watch on Netflix, leave them in the comments below. Anyways, thanks so much for coming along with me today. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm going to chat with you in my next vlog. Bye, guys.